In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cite a document that's stored in Google Drive. This is a simple process that can be done in just a few minutes and is perfect for research, assignments, or professional work. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening your Google Drive homepage. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once inside, you'll see all your files and folders neatly organized. This is your digital workspace for documents, presentations, spreadsheets, and more. Next, locate the document you want to cite. If you have many files, the search bar at the top is your best friend. It helps you find your document quickly. Once you find it, click to select it. This highlights the document and reveals additional options at the top of the page. Now, focus on the share icon in the top right corner. It looks like a silhouette of a person with a plus sign. Click it and a sharing menu will appear. Here, we need to adjust an important setting for citation purposes. Look for the Get Link section. You'll see a drop-down menu that may be set to restricted. Change this to anyone with the link. This ensures that anyone you share the link with can view the document, making it ideal for citations. Don't worry, your document isn't public unless you actively share the link, so your privacy is still protected. After updating the settings, click the Copy Link button. This will copy the link to your clipboard. It's a good idea to double check that your link permissions are correct, especially if you're sharing it with classmates, colleagues, or a wider audience. You can also keep a separate spreadsheet of all cited links to stay organized, which is helpful for research projects or collaborative work. Finally, head over to your Google Docs. Open the document where you want the citation. Position your cursor where the citation should appear and paste the link. You can do this with keyboard shortcuts or by right-clicking. For an added touch, you can format the link as part of a reference section, add a brief description, or use it in text following your preferred citation style. This keeps your references organized, professional, and easy to access. And that's it. You've successfully cited a document from Google Drive. By following these steps, you can maintain a clean, organized workflow while ensuring all your references are accurate and accessible. Remember, keeping track of your citations early saves time later and makes collaborative work much smoother. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and happy citing.